Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. Hey, so we're going to get our stuff ready for tomorrow for work. What we're taking... Did that last night too. Sometimes being a container hoarder is not a very easy life. But, so what we're going to take is, I've got this, I think it was rotisserie chicken. And so I'm going to put this in this container here. Kind of feel like I need to chop it up a little bit. Some of it's kind of clumpy, but it'll be all right. Then we're going to add some Rayo's. Now, again, there are certain things I just don't trust myself to get the good amount. So, a fourth cup is 62 grams. So, I don't think there's a fourth cup in here. I'm probably going to end up adding water to it. You know what? Let's just open a new one. Let's be rebels. Hold on. All right. Now let's open a new one. So 62 grams is one serving. So I'm going to do that. Maybe. Stuff's pretty thick. If I didn't have people watching, honestly, I would put water in this and dilute it. But there's people watching, and y'all think I'm weirder than you already think I am. Alright. 63 grams. Look at this. Putting the lid on. I ain't even licking it. Somebody better write that down. Okay. But I am going to put some seasonings on it. I'm going to put in some roasted garlic. I'm going to put in some everything bagel seasoning. And we're going to get some salt here. Hang on. Oh, no. Let's use this Badia Complete that I picked up this week. Use a little bit of that. All right, now. So that is going to be my main portion there. And then we're going to make up a salad to go with it. So there's that. Lord, I'm going to have to get up here in this mess again. Ta-da! We didn't make a mess. All right, so here we go. We're going to get our, I like cabbage. I like this tri-colored cabbage. It stays crispy in my salad, and this stuff keeps a whole lot longer than lettuce does. So, put my cabbage on there. We're going to put, I don't know how long this stuff's going to last, but we're going to put some broccoli slaw in there. I'm going to keep using it until it goes bad or gets, mushy. I'm tossing everything behind me tonight. Make it go a little faster. I'm thinking of you, buddy. I'm thinking of you. Put some tomatoes on there. And we've got some, what's this? Oh, red onions. Nope, I'm trying to use up my roasted red onions. So that way, I'm trying to use up my, the pickled red onions. We know. Y'all ain't got to tell me. We know. But we need to use them up, because I don't throw nothing away. I don't care what I find out about it. I don't care if I found out that a bear pooped in there. I'd still be eating it anyway. So how are you doing today? How was your day? Did you have a good day? I've actually had this from leftover from the other video, the tail end. I had red hat ladies tonight. It was fun. We had 2 new ladies, and they were nice. I wasn't there. They were there, I think, last month when I wasn't there. I didn't go last month. I can't remember what was going on. It might have been when my sisters were in town. I do not remember, but I didn't get to go. This is just my jicama. So I'll put some jicama in there. But anyway, we go. Y'all see what I eat when I go. I always get the same thing. It's a pizza bake. Okay, gotta move. It's a pizza bake, and then I get a salad to go with it. The one-trip salad. So I make my own salad. Bad thing about things like that is the salad dressings they have are full-fledged salad dressings, and they're really thick. So I always get way too much. I'm like a kid going in a candy store, you know. I don't have that good skill of saying, now Terry, that's probably a little more than what you should be doing. I just ain't got it. I ain't got it. Let's see if we can finish off these pickled cucumbers. I don't know if they're gonna fit or not. Let's see. Maybe at least I'll get half of them. Let's just get them in there. Then we ain't got to worry about them no more. There we go. That's that. What is this? Oh, got to have me some Rutabaga. Rutabaga. Whew, that smells rough. But it tastes so good. I don't care. Big as life, I got this on the scale, and I'm not zeroing it out between everything. But if you're counting stuff, zero it out in between your food. Okay? That's all I got to say. But there we go. So, alright. So now, you know I'm going to put some seasoning on it. You know what? I'm going to leave the peppers off tonight. I'm going to tie it all together with some more of this seasoning that I put on my Alfredo, just to kind of tie it together with that same flavor. I'm going to get on there. There we go. Now, okay, what am I looking for? Dressings. But now dressings, I do not trust myself with. So I'll zero it out. We've got our Walden Farms. You know, I know that is just pure straight up chemicals. I know of all the things I eat, we know that is probably the most unclean thing of all of them. But I like them. It is what it is. And then some poppy seed dressing. There we go. Finish that off, so I'll trash it. Okay, so now I'm going to put the lid on here. Oh man, I forgot to get my breakfast out of the refrigerator. Hold on. Okay, so now we've got our salad put together. We've got our chicken Alfredo put together. Got our yogurt. Got our egg casserole. Oh, poop. I forgot an apple. Hold on. So I got an apple and a nectarine. I tell you what, nectarines don't last very long. Apples last a whole lot longer. Because this thing's like all mushy. And today when I ate it at lunch, I'm telling you it was like eating a peach. For those of you who, I used to think that they were the same thing, but it ain't the same. It just ain't the same. There's a difference between a nectarine and a peach. But when the nectarine gets older and soft, it tastes like a peach without the fuzz. So here's this last thing for tomorrow. Got my coffee. Where's my flavoring? We're going to add some salted caramel to here. And since I didn't put ice in my coffee, it seems like I was not as cold at work today, so that was a good thing. Oh, shoot fire. Good enough. And you know I can't talk and do stuff at the same time, so I can't talk and pour that at the same time. I'm just not overly coordinated. Now, I'll put that together up there. And wipe that up. There we go. And I'll pull this out of the refrigerator in the morning. And so I'll have my coffee, my breakfast, and my lunch. And that's all going with me. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning. How did I do? Ooh, that was not quite 10 minutes. I'm getting better, Craig. Okay, so breakfast this morning is my egg casserole. So what I have been doing when I heat it up, I put a paper towel under it. So that kind of helps absorb that extra liquid. And it helps. They took the sayings out of the lids now. I'm so sad. Used to, I'd lick the lid and I'd be able to read whatever little positive saying it has on it, but they don't. But they've added more, you know, I showed you all the vanilla has more dots in it. The different ones, it's almost like they've added little speckles of stuff in it to make you feel like something fancy, you know, make you feel like it's all natural or whatever. But it's almost like they've added, it's not real visible, but just kind of, I don't know. I'm still dealing with the glasses. Maybe it's not really speckles and maybe I'm seeing something. But it looked like it at first until I stirred it up. But anyway, so that's my breakfast. And this is still the ground pork and egg sausage. Not sausage, ground egg and pork. I ain't gonna say it right. Ground pork and egg casserole. I don't have to make any big decisions today. It may not go well. Bye. Hey, it is lunchtime. And by the way, I did texturize my top just a little bit. I think Poodle, I think you're the one that said that. Honestly, I can't remember. You know me and my memory. But I got my salad. Rutabaga. Cabbage, everything. I Look how wrinkled that's getting. These things get bad. They what is the word? They ripen up real fast. And then this is that Alfredo that we made. I told you that Alfredo was really thick. I really could have added water to it to thin it out a little bit. I do like my Alfredo a little thinner, but it's all right. That's my lunch. All right, see you at supper. So I just want to touch base with you all. Frozen rutabaga on a salad is not the same as fresh rutabaga on a salad. I think frozen rutabaga can be cooked and have stuff done with it. Whereas I think fresh rutabaga is better for a salad. I'm just putting that out there. I, never really paid much attention before, but it's not slimy or anything. But, and I'll keep eating it. But I think the cabbagey, turnipy flavor comes out of the rutabaga, or is stronger in the rutabaga after it's been frozen. Whereas I think when it's more fresh, there's less of that taste and smell. Because I know every time I'm opening the container of rutabaga, it's like, whoa. So I just thought I'd share that with you all before you freeze and add your rutabaga to your salad. I just wanted to make you aware. Like I said, I'm going to still keep eating it because I don't care. I mean, it's not as good, but, whatever. I'm going to keep eating it. But I just want to make sure I let you all know that. So that way, if you find that, you're not like, Terry didn't tell me. Well, because Terry don't pay no attention to stuff. But now you know. Okay, bye. Look what I got at work today. I got a yellow squash, 2 zucchini, and a cucumber. So I'll set those there. And we'll use those this weekend somehow. We'll cook up something. I got my food in the microwave. I'll be right back. So this is, if you remember, whenever I was made up my week of carnivore food, this is some pork that I had made for that. And I'm pretty sure it's seasoned. So we're going to take a test and see. Hang on. Yep. Yep, that's good. Oh, that's on the grill. I think. It looks like it. See that the blackened stuff? I think it might have been on the grill. No, that was a skillet. I don't know. It's good. And it's seasoned. And what I'm going to have with it is this is the zucchini and squash that I did over the weekend. One of you all said it was like a tempura. That sounds fancy, and I like that. So we're going to say this was tempura zucchini and squash. And some pork. And I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit of stuff to put in this. Hang on. What I'm going to do is just a little bit of this. This is the G. Hughes. Oh, shut up. G. Hughes honey mustard dipping sauce. And the G. Hughes Polynesian dipping sauce. And I'll show you what my plan is for this, because it's hot. And that's hot. So I don't want to like pick it up and burn my fingers. So we're going to use a fork for them. And I'm going to do this. First, let me stir it up. Got to get, you know me, I can't do nothing just one single flavor. It just don't set right. So I'll dip my fork in there. Then I'll stab one. We'll have a bite. So that's going to be my supper right there. Okay, that's what I know. Bye.